friends, this is one of the first such festivals that the Meghalaya state government has hosted, and most probably the first time in the history of the state that we have had a festival of this magnitude, especially for pineapple. I must congratulate the entire team for having really put in a lot of effort into really making this possible. So yes, a round of applause for the team. And I'm sure that through this, the people will get a real great experience, not just about pineapples, but also about the culture of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya, and the different individuals and entrepreneurs who we have brought along with us to really participate and make this festival much more meaningful than just simply a festival where we will taste the pineapples. And hence, in our endeavor in the last many years to really showcase the strengths of our state, showcase the different kind of products that we have, this is one step towards trying to really push the agenda for the farmers. But we all know we almost produce about 1.4 lakh metric tons of pineapple every year. And the pineapple is, of course, one of the sweetest in the country, and of course, very much organic in nature. And hence, we have felt that there's a large market for this, and our farmers are not able to reach out to those markets. So this step is really one of the small steps we're taking to give that accessibility, not just to our pineapple farmers, but to all the different farmers in our state. We have been having many programs, mission mode programs, and different kind of support structures, different type of institutional setups that we have created, where we are trying to find ways in which we are able to support our farmers. And hence, this is one of the ways forward. And I'm sure that in the coming days, as this festival continues for the next 2 days, that the people of Delhi and even people coming from other parts of the country will get an opportunity to really get a taste of the pineapple of Meghalaya and also a taste of the culture of Meghalaya.
Made by jackfruit seeds from Meghalaya. So this is really great because it's part of the jackfruit mission also. So while we're having the pineapple program, we're also promoting other products like our jackfruit mission and then other products. So really thank our sisters who have come from Garo Hills and who are really now showcasing our products to the rest of the world. Thank you. Hello.